Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today is August the 20th, 2023. Here to talk about PayPal today because there's a couple of analysts who has downgraded PayPal. Yeah, it's kind of like, okay, so what? I mean, look at the price in PayPal since last earnings. It completely fell off a cliff. So now these analysts want to come in and downgrade a stock. How does that benefit us? Like, for real, these analysts get paid to do a job recommending buy sell ratings, right? To their consultants, to the people that they advise. They pay them. And if you look at their track record, when they hit these articles on social media, on mainstream media, it's always after the fact. I'm going to show you all something. Here's a website right here, Market Beat. Okay. And this is about PayPal. You guys can tell that it currently has a consensus rating of a moderate buy. This is based off 31 people. Right? I'm not talking about 310,000 people. This is just 31 people who analyze PayPal. That's it. And the thing that really confuses me is, why would you place your understanding of a business, of a stock, off of 31 people when the market is full of hundreds of thousands of people who participate in PayPal? But you're going to give your analysis, your understanding of PayPal to 31 people? Like, let's really think about this. You guys can see currently there's 19 analysts with a buy rating. You have 11 with a hold and one measly analyst with a sell rating. What the hell? Like, come on. It doesn't even make sense. Why are these analysts giving you a moderate buy rating when clearly you can see off the price chart that this market is not bullish? This is not a buyer's market. We could go all the way back to here, August 3rd, 2022. What has the price in PayPal been doing? What has it been doing? It's been going down, but you have these analysts up here a month ago, still 23 people saying that it's a buy. 3 months ago, you have 23 analysts still telling you that it's a buy. Even a year ago, here it is right there, a year. 29 people telling you that PayPal is a buy. Now, when you go to the chart a year ago, let's go to August the 20th, 2022. Okay, let's go ahead and do this real quick. August the 20th. Okay, which is right here, right around here. We're going to take how much value of this stock has been gone. It's been lost since that year rating, to where 29 people said that it was a buy, to where price currently is right now in PayPal. Look at this. The market in PayPal lost 37.6% since those analysts came out and did a rating a year ago. And here it is today. You still have 19 people telling you that it's a buy. These analysts get paid to promote these businesses. I want you all to understand this. They get paid to promote them and not to assist you. Period. Because if you think about it, why hasn't the current analysis, their ratings, changed? Right? Why hasn't it changed? You would think by a stock falling 37.5% in 1 year that these analysts would say it's a sell. You had 0 with a sell recommendation a year ago, and now you only increased to 1. Only 1 is telling us that PayPal is a sell, but the market fell 37.5%. They don't have your interest at heart. They don't care about us. They don't care about you. They don't care about me. So why should we focus on what their ratings are? Because obviously these analysts, if they really are buying this stock, their portfolio is not looking good. They've been buying the dip, and the dip hasn't recuperated any profits for them. So just want to show you all that. To not focus in on what 31 people has to say, one person has to say. We focus on the majority of all the market participants. This is what this chart represents. This is everyone's analysis. Yours, the person down the street, a pension fund, a person's 401k, whoever is coming in and purchasing and buying PayPal stock, this is recorded. It's all here. I don't care about what 31 people has to say. I care about what everyone is trying to say. That's why I only focus in on the price chart, and so should you. It will alleviate so much confusion, because you would be confused if you came through and saw, well, 19 people telling me that it's a buy, but the market's not doing it. It's not going higher. That's why I tell you, look at the chart. So now, I did a price prediction in PayPal. You guys can see it real quick. On August the 3rd, I did an update video on the 12th in PayPal, and I told you I wasn't going to change it, and the market hit our area. All right, it's cool. 8.37%, right? Now, I told you that the market was going to try to come in and find buyers around $59. Here it is today. They came through. They're here. But now it's a test. Now is the test for the buyers. We need to see the market continue to do this. It needs to continue to hold it, because we may still see the market fall and collapse in PayPal. So let's do this. I wanted to look at the chart in PayPal on the weekly. Okay. And like I said, yes, buyers currently are here in PayPal. Take a look at PayPal on the 2 weeks. Here it is on the 3. And I really want to talk to you all about the market in PayPal on the 3 weeks. Look at that. This 1 3-week price bar, like, let's keep it straight. It kind of resembles what happened here, right? So right now, today, I will have to be bearish into the market in PayPal, but it's not a firm bearishness. Like, I'm not going to tell you that it will automatically go lower. Just off of the information that we see in front of us, yes, the market is bearish. But as we can tell that we're at an area of support, we may begin to see buyers hold price. And if that continues, then this bearish sentiment that we have right now in PayPal, it will have to change. We will have to go through and say, all right, cool. Just like they did it here on this 3-week price bar that came through and supported price. If we get that again in PayPal, then that tells you shouldn't be bearish. So we definitely need to be looking at the market right now to see if those buyers are going to show up, because if they don't, this current 3-week price bar in PayPal, we need to get prepared to see the market in PayPal come all the way back to lows and prices that it hasn't traded since 2017. Yes. Like, let's keep this thing straight. We need to be prepared for price in PayPal to come to these areas right here. Now, you all can see that we might need to get prepared for market to run down to $55.25. And then here to like 50 bucks. 50 bucks. And this will be my third target ultimately right here. Like 44, 45 bucks. But yeah, 55, 50, 50, 45. Okay. This stock has taken a massive hit. Even though the business may be doing well, is the business functions, how much revenue it brings in does not dictate how people value stock. I want you all to understand. I will put more credibility on people's emotions about price action than I would as to how people value a company's business revenue, earnings, expenses, how much money is coming in, how much money is going out, EBITDA. I get it. But you cannot value a stock that way. I place more value on people's emotion as to where price is and where it's going, because people would do some drastic things once they see a market fall 40%, right? And they got a bill to pay, or they got to pay for their child's tuition in college, or they need something to retire on. They will sell the stock then. And they won't go back and say, well, when I look at the fundamental analysis of PayPal, the market shows that it should be around $125. So I'm just going to hold the stock here. No, it don't work like that. When money's on the line, people would do some crazy things with it. And that is why this market in PayPal, ever since the high of 2021, has seen its value completely collapse. 81%. Even though, like I said, the business may be great. Like, there's nothing negative about how PayPal operates, which is one reason why I think they went ahead and created a stablecoin. It took the market in PayPal this long just for it to run up from, if we go to where price currently is in PayPal, from 2017 to 2021. 4 years for the market to go from $61 to $300. It took 4 years to do that, right? And it took how many years for it to go from $300 to $59? 2021 to 2023, half the time. Half. So you can't tell me that people were looking at the fundamentals in PayPal in half the time and they analysis completely changed. You can't tell me that PayPal changed their business in less than 2 years to where the value is now around $59. All right, so let me do this. I'm only going off of what I see. Okay, once I see a change occur, i.e. buyers continue to hold $59, then I will come in and say, yeah, the market is maintaining its support. I will have to let go of the weakness and the anticipation that price is going to go lower. I will have to. Okay, here it is on the monthly chart. So let me do this. Look at that on 330 minute. I like that. We may actually see the market in PayPal go higher. I like that 330 minute. You guys can see it here too. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to wait, because I do like this on a minute chart that buyers are definitely coming in. And I want to see how high the market is really going to go. Oh yeah, that's good too. Look at this. Right here on the 45 minute bars. This tells me that there were sellers in the market right here. But then towards the ending of the trading day, we still saw the market go higher. And even after market trading, the market is still trending to the upside. So yeah, this is where buyers coming in the market. I wouldn't be surprised to see the market in PayPal go higher right here. So let me do this. I'm going to play the market in PayPal going up, right? But this is on a short term. Okay, this is not on the 3 weekly chart. The 3 weekly time frame, I'm bearish. I'm looking for the market to go down, but this is on the daily chart. Okay, so let me do this. So my first target, like I said, I'm not going to be massively bullish. My first target is going to be here around $60.48. That's only 1 3/4. Like I said, I'm not massively bullish. My second target for PayPal will be here around 61.50. That's 3.5% move to the upside there. And then my third target will be here around 62.59, 5 1/4. That's it. Now, if I don't see the buyers show up, like I said, we already know what the gist is on the weekly time frame. The market is definitely bearish on that round. So if they don't hold, I would say this trading week, then yeah, be prepared for the market to continue to dip. All right, so that's it. I'm done. Hopefully you all have learned something from my videos and my content. If you think you have, I want you all to make sure you continue to follow me, because I drop these gems consistently on this channel, because I want to show you that this game, as to how many people try to tell us it's played, it's not how it's really played. The market is played off of the charts, the price bars, and the volume. Nothing more, nothing less. Make sure you maintain the profitability, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and make sure you maintain the profitability and trade different.